You are auditioning for a viral Korean dating show, given various games that you need to schedule for the contestants. Contestants are like Sung Jin Woo, Bing Bing Bing, Ming Lee Hu, Ning Ning, you know what I mean? And essentially, you'll have like game one, game two, game three that you need to schedule for these people. You'll be given a list of these said games, and then you're also given an interval for any consecutive two games that are the same, they must have that same interval cooldown between them. However, back to back games that are of different types don't need an interval cooling. Just simply return how many intervals are actually needed. Okay, let's start. For the naive idea, if we want to actually build some schedule for the Sumjing Woo, okay, we could just append each interval until like the next game is needed and then run. But I want to ask you a question. And the follow-up question is like, do you need it? Like, do you need that or not? We're just trying to return how many intervals are needed. That is the only thing that we need to store in our scheduling service. So another idea that could be slightly more optimized for this given return type, maybe we're just going to have like this essentially time. And this is the value. So let's say set cur time equals 0. And then from there, we'll have like, let's say unordered map in C++. From there, we'll develop a last seen map. And then we're just going to essentially walk through it. Core idea being that, you process the task in order. We keep this like counter example. Remember every single game that last needed to run. And then whenever the cooldown period blocks us, we are going to jump the clock to like that given game. So I also want you to explain and thoroughly elaborate on which idea is better in terms of real world application. And aside from real world application, give me sort of like space and time. Outside of just that, we want to think about it like for every given game, when is the earliest legal time that you can allocate this given game? So if the game has never appeared before, we can just do the game. And if that game has appeared before, then we need to calculate. The earliest next available time slot is the last time that the game needs to run plus the cooldown given that amount. So